Okay. Hello everyone, am I audible? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So in last session we saw the means one pillar, that is the inheritance, right? In this tab, in this video, we will see what is another pillar, that is the polymorphism. Okay. Polymorphism is another pillar, and polymorphism is very easy. By the name, we can assume that poly means many, and morphism means poly means many and morph means form. Okay. Poly means many and morph means form. Polymorphism is a mechanism. Okay. Polymorphism is a simple mechanism in which one object can have the multiple forms. Suppose if you take the real time example, means I told you like before, when we learn the OOPS concept, that time when we learn the OOPS concept, that time we will compare all these things with the real life, right? So first thing is that is we compare classes, objects. After that, inheritance also we compare. Now the polymorphism. Okay, so polymorphism, if you take the real time example, means the same person. Okay, a man. A man can be a different characteristics. A man can be a father. A man can be a husband, and a man can be a employee also. Okay, they have the three roles. A single person having the three roles, that is the father, husband, and an employee also. So this is also mean as the polymorphism. Polymorphism is just a simple mechanism in which one object can have the multiple forms, or we can say that single action in a different ways. Okay, single action in a different ways, that only known as the polymorphism. And polymorphism have two types, that is the compile time polymorphism and the runtime polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism. There is the compile time polymorphism and the runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is achieved with the help of method overloading. Okay, compile time polymorphism is achieved with the help of method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is achieved with the help of method overriding. Okay, compile time polymorphism achieved by method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is achieved by the method overriding. If I told you compile time polymorphism, no, so you will be recognized that, or if you will observe that this we knows already. Okay, method overloading we knows already. So what is meant by method overloading means, in the method overloading, what we need to do, we have to declare the many functions. Many functions means many methods we have to declare. More than one methods we have to create. Okay, so what is the thing? First thing is that we have to create the many methods. After that, we have to give same name to the all the methods, and but we have to make all the methods parameters are the different. Okay, here see, there are multiple function with the same name but different parameter, and where we have to declare in the same class only. Okay, in the same class we have to declare multiple functions or multiple methods with the same name but the different parameter. Okay, that is only known as the method overloading. Okay, we have declared more than one method, then we have to give the same name to the all the methods, but we have to make all the means we have to make different parameters in the all the methods. Okay, so we will try to make the method overloading example, and why we are using method overloading, to achieve the compile time polymorphism. Okay, to achieve the compile time polymorphism, we are using the method overloading. Okay, and if you want to achieve the runtime polymorphism means, what we will do, we will simply use the method overriding. Okay, method overriding is used to achieve the runtime polymorphism, and method overloading is used to achieve the compile time polymorphism. Okay, now first we will see the method overloading. So inside the method overloading, what we need to do, simply we have to, I will write here. Okay, okay, what we need to do, we have to declare multiple methods, or we can say more than one. Okay, more than one we have to declare. After that, what is the another thing, we have to give the same name to the all the methods. Okay, same name to the all the methods, or we can say that methods means the functions only, right? We have to give same name to the all the functions. After that, we have to declare in a same class. Okay, all the methods we have to declare inside the same class, but we have to declare the parameter as a different parameter. Okay, if you follow the steps, means if you are declaring multiple methods in a same class with the same name, and you are declaring the different parameter in that, so you will be successfully achieve the method overloading. Now we will try to achieve that. So simply I'm removing this main method. So this is my class. Okay, this is my class, right? So what I am doing is we have to achieve, I have to achieve the method overloading. So what first we will do, simply we have to declare the methods. But how much methods we have to declare? More than one method, right? So simply we will come here, 1 minute. Okay, we have to come here inside the main method, sorry, in the class, and what we are doing, simply we have to create a method. So I'm writing here public void and the m1 method. You can give any name to the methods. I am giving m name. Okay, m1. After that, here I'm writing system.out, and here I'm just simply printing the 1. Okay, simply I'm writing here 1. But what, how much methods we have to declare if you want to achieve the method overloading? More than one methods. Multiple methods we can declare, right? But more than one methods we have to declare. So simply we will come here and we will declare another method public void. But this time what we need to do, we have to give same name to the all the methods. We have, what we have to do, we have to declare more than one method, that is okay. But what we need to do, we have to give the same name to the all the methods. So suppose I am declaring another method, so I have to give same name to the this method also. So what is the name we have used before? That is the m1. So simply I have to give same name to the this method also. Okay, and here I am declaring, simply I want to print that system.out, and here inside the system.out what I am doing is simple I am printing 2. But now if I write like that, so it will give the error, and we have not achieved the method overloading also. Why we are not achieving? Because we have to make the different parameter. Okay, we have to declare the parameter different. So here I am declaring 0, means I am not declaring any, means how much parameters are here, that is the 0. Okay, but what I am doing is I am declaring one parameter here. Okay, what I am doing is I am declaring one parameter here. Now we have successfully achieved the method overloading. Okay, this is only known as the method overloading. While learning the methods, I told you this one also. If I write like that and if I declare like that, so what will be happen like that, I told you before, right? So this is only called as the method overloading. Method overloading means we have to declare multiple methods with the same name, okay, in the same class, but having the different parameters. See here, parameters are different here. Here is the 0, here is the 1. If you are creating another method and you are giving 2 also, so that is also okay. Okay, after that, if you want to call this method, what we need to do, simply we have to go into the main method, and here we have to create an object. So simply I am creating object test obj equals to new test. Okay, and with the help of obj I can call that. If I write like that, object.m1. Okay, okay, and if I run this one, so what will be the output we will get? Sunil is saying, Sunil Teja is saying 1. Okay, anyone have any another answer? What will be the output we will get? 1 2. Vinay Sai Kumar is saying 1 2. Teja is saying 1. Okay, so if I run this one, so what we will get? Simply if I run this one, see, 1 is printing on the console, right? Simply 1 is printing on the console. Now if I write here any parameter like 10, I am writing here this time. So now what will be the output we will get? Single Teja Reddy is saying 2. Okay, if I run this one now, so 2 will be print on the console. Teja is also saying 2. 2 is printing on the console. Why? It will see here, JVM will come to the main method first. It will see here what we did here. We are creating the object. After that, what we are doing here? Here we are calling the method object.m1. So what it will do? It will find m1 method inside the test object. Okay, inside the test class it will find the m1 object. So it will become here, where is the m1 method which having the one integer parameter. So it will become here, it will see that this is the m1 method which having the one integer parameter. No, it don't have any parameter, so it will become here downside. And what it will see, it is the m1 method which having the one integer parameter. So yes, so here is the m1 method, so it will become here and it will print 2 on the console. Okay, after that, if I create another method here, there is the public void m1 string a comma integer b. Okay, in system.out I'm writing simply here, and I'm printing here the 3. Okay, now if I want to call this thing, so how we will call that? How we will call that method? How we will call this method? This one, string and integer values. Okay, we have to provide the string and the integer values, right? If you want to call this one, so how we will provide the string and integer values? Where we will provide simply here by entering the parameters object.m1. Okay, inside the object.m1, what we need to do, we have to pass the parameters, right? So first parameter we have to pass is a string, because we have passed here the parameter string. So what we need to do, we have to pass one sorry, not parameter, that is the argument. First I'm passing here Java, and after that I'm passing here the any integer parameter, that is the 10. Now if I run this one, so what it will do, GVM will see m1 method which having first string and another one is the integer. It will come here, it will see m1 method which having first string parameter and another one is the integer parameter. So it will come here, it will see no, this is not of that method, right? So it will come here in another method, it will see m1 method which having first string parameter and another is the integer parameter. So it will see here, but here is only integer, so it will not come here also, it will come here, and it will see here is the m1 method which having first string parameter and another one is the integer parameter. So it will become inside that, and it will print 3 on the console. So that only known as the method overloading. Method overloading means single action, see same action, that is the m1 m1 m1, but we are doing in the multiple ways. Okay, we are doing in the multiple ways, that only known as the polymorphism also, right? That only known as the polymorphism. Also which type of polymorphism we have achieved here, that is the compile time polymorphism. And with the help of which type we have achieved, that is the method overloading. With the help of method overloading, we successfully achieved here compile time polymorphism or method overloading. Okay, here what we need to do, if you want to achieve the method overloading, what we need to do, we have to create the multiple methods, right? We have to create the multiple methods, more than one. Okay, and after that we have to give same name to the all the methods, whatever means how much methods you are creating, no number of methods you are creating. So all the methods you have to give the same name, like m1 m1 m1. Okay, after that what we need to do, we have to declare all the methods inside the same class, right? What we need to do, we have to declare all the methods inside the same class, but we have to make the different parameters inside the all the methods. Okay, which we have to declare different parameters in the all the methods. If you do these steps, you can successfully achieve the method overloading. Okay, so anyone have any doubt till here inside the method overloading? Rajesh is saying no. Okay, very fast. Teja is also saying no. Okay, after that the another type is the method overriding. Okay, this one is also very easy, same like this one only. If you know the inheritance means, if you know the inheritance means, runtime polymorphism is also very easy. Okay, so here runtime polymorphism. Wait a minute. Okay. So runtime polymorphism is very easy. If you know the inheritance means, you can easily understand the runtime polymorphism. Okay, so simply what we need to do, simply same like that, here also we have to declare the multiple methods. Okay, same like a method overloading, we have to declare here also multiple methods, more than one. Okay, and we have to give same name to the all the function also. Okay, we have to give same name to the all the methods also, function, or we can say that that is the method. Function means methods, you know that, right? We have to give same names to the all the methods. First we declare the multiple methods, right? We have to declare the multiple methods, and we have to give the same name to the all the methods, but we have to declare in the different class. We have to declare inside the different class, but they have all of the same parameter. Okay, this thing is different here. We have to declare the multiple methods, more than one. After that, we have to give same name to the all the methods, but we have to declare this methods inside the different class, and we have to declare the parameter is also same. Okay, so I will write this one here. Okay, and this one at last, means you will be easily different. Multiple methods with same name with same parameter, but different in what we declare inside the different class, that only known as the method overriding. We will try to achieve this one. So how to achieve the method overriding is, first we need to create a two classes here, right? How much classes we want? Two classes, or two or three classes, whatever type of class we want, you can create that. So we have to create inside the different class, so I'm creating here the two classes. Simply I'm writing here class demo. Okay, another class I'm creating here. What we need to do is, if you want to achieve the method overriding, okay, so what we need to do, simply we have to declare the multiple methods. So simply first method I'm creating is public void m, same like a method overloading. Okay, now if you want to declare this, if you want to achieve the method overriding, what we need to do, we have to declare multiple methods but in the different class. So simply if I created here also, so I have to create same method here also inside the different class. Okay, and what we need to do, we have to declare the same parameter also. So I have given here 0, so here also 0. Okay, and in between the two classes we need to mention, or they must have a inheritance between them. And to achieve the inheritance, what we need to do, simple we have to use the extends keyword. Okay, this is the last point. Inheritance is there. Inheritance. Okay, in between two classes there must be a inheritance. Okay, so this test class is now inheriting the demo class. Okay, now successfully here I'm writing system.out. Okay, and here I'm writing 1. After that here also I'm coming and here I'm writing system.out, and here I'm writing that is the 2. Okay, that is okay. After that what I'm doing is, simply I'm creating a main method here. Okay, simply I am creating a main method. Now if I want to call this m1 method, how we will call that? Simply we will come here, and with the help of demo class object we can call this one, right? If you want to call with the help of test, can it will be called, see here, if I write here the test obj equal to new test. Okay, this time I have created the test class object, this class object. Now we are inheriting here the demo. So whatever things present inside the demo, that will be indirectly come into the test class, right? Whatever things present inside the demo class, that will be come into the test class, right? So now this m1 also present here, and this m1 is also present here. Now if I call this here object dot m1, so what will be the output we will get? Anyone have any idea what will be the output you will get? 1 or 2? 1 and 2. Sunil Teja is saying 1 and 2. Okay. Anyone have any another answer? It is wrong also. Okay only. We are learning only, no? Anyone have any another answer? Any guesses? What will be the answer? Nagaur is also saying 1, 2. Okay. Anyone have any another answer? You can speak also. No worries. I will not say anything. Okay. 1 and 2. Rajesh is saying 2. Okay. Anyone have any another answer? Okay, simply we will try to run this one. If I run this one, see 2 is printing on the console, means Rajesh said the right answer. Why it is printing 2 is, first it will come here into the m1 method, okay, into the main method, right? After that here, yeah, super class, yes. So what it will do, it will, when we call the object.m1 method, so it will come here and it will call this first method. Okay, it will call the first method, that is the super class method it will be called. Okay, after that what it will do, it will, here it is calling the m1 method, but inside the child class also we have a m1 method. So what it will do, it will override the 2 on the 1. Okay, it will override this 2 on the 1 like a plate. Okay, like a plate. Suppose this one is a one plate, and if you put another plate on that, so what we will say, this plate is overridden on this plate. This is the last plate and this is the first plate, right? So what we will say, this first plate is overridden on the last plate, right? Last plate. So same like that, happening here? So this 2 is overridden on this 1. Okay, this 2 is overlapped on the 1. So that is only known as the method overriding. And if you want to achieve the method overriding, what we need to do, we have to declare the multiple methods with the same name, with the same parameter in the different class, but in the different class, and in between two classes there must be a inheritance. Okay, in between two classes there must be a inheritance. And why we are using the method overriding means, if you want to achieve the runtime polymorphism, that's why we are using the method overriding. And suppose if I am writing here int a, now this is called as the method overriding or not? This is called as the method overriding. See all the rules here. This is called as the method overriding or not? Yes or no? Yes or no only. See, we have to declare the multiple methods with the same name, same parameter, but in the different class. And between two things, there must be a inheritance. So it is following that rules or not? It is Sunil Tejarity is saying yes. This is the overriding. Okay, so this is not a overriding. Why this is not overriding? See, we have to declare the multiple methods. So I have declared the multiple methods also. We have to declare the same name. We have to mention the same name also. So I have here mentioned the m1 and the m1 also. After that, we have to give the same parameter. Okay, we have to give the same parameter. But what we did here, in first method we have given the one parameter, but inside the second method we have not given the any parameter. Okay, so that will, it is not following the method overriding rules. So this is not a method overriding. If you want to achieve that, what we need to do, we have to declare the multiple methods with the same name, with the same parameter, but in the different class. This m1 method is present inside the demo class, this m1 method is present inside the test class, and in between two classes there must be a inheritance. Okay, in between the two classes there must be a inheritance. And if you want to call this m1 method, how we will call that, the superclass m1 method? Simple, we will come here new and demo. Okay, after that what we need to do, simply we will create a object of the demo class, and with the help of demo class object we can call the m1 method. And if I run this one now, so what will be the output? 2 and the 1. See, 2 and the 1 is printing on the console. So that is meant by method overriding. Okay, so anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt till here in method overriding or in method overload? Rajesh is saying we are good. Okay, anyone have any doubt now? So what we said today, that is the polymorphism. Polymorphism means what? That is the single action in the different ways. We are doing the single action is in the different ways, that only known as the polymorphism. Poly means many and morph means forms, and ISM means we can say that is the mechanism. Polymorphism is a mechanism in which one object have the many forms, or we can say that single action in the different ways. If you want to give the example, that is the real time example, which example we will give? That is a man can be a father, can be a husband, or can be a son also, or can be an employee also. So that only known as the polymorphism. And polymorphism having the two types, that is the compile time polymorphism, and the another one is the runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is achieved by method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is achieved by method overriding. Okay, compile time polymorphism is achieved by method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is achieved by method overriding. How to declare the method? If you want to achieve the method overloading, what we need to do, simply we have to declare the multiple methods with the same name in the same class, but they must have a different parameter. Okay, and if you want to achieve the method overriding, what we need to do, simply we have to declare the multiple methods with the same name, okay, with the same parameter, but in the different class, and in between that two classes there must be an inheritance. That only known as the method overriding. Okay, so that is all meaning of the, that is the all about the polymorphism. Okay, if you have any doubt and all, so you can ask me or you can ping on the group. Okay, and today's assignment is that you have to create a program on the method overloading as well as the method overriding, and the submit on the group. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you have a doubt, so you can ask me directly, okay, or you can ping on the group. And okay, so that's it for today. We will meet tomorrow. Bye, and happy Dashera to all of you.
Same to you, Tanmay.